Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel again, Sandy and Jeff. So finally the sun is out, guys, and they are taking off the board of the post. Naugan na di ay. Ready to take off. Yes guys, it's been raining for 2 days already, and finally today the sun is out. So they're going to start working again. And the welder is at the back of the house. He is measuring the door there. It's very hot already. Napuka. Paughon pa nagmaayo. The floor, guys, got broken, and it's because of that big truck that they use to deliver dirt before, and they hit the floor of this well, and that's what happened. But good thing the well is just here. That's where the hole is, and that is really far from the hole, that side there, so no problem. Mo naliki man lang sa kwan, oh. Ano ba? Ano sa man pinisingan? Ang ibabaw? So they are done in this side here.
Fine. Kita ang kuan ng brown na black. Baga na bitog kuan dud. Baga yun. Finishing.
The yard is finally dry now, guys. Good. It was sunny the whole afternoon, so it's still a mess. And they start painting the fence. I have to get more materials tomorrow for the back door fence, and also for the gate. Yeah, they have to do some finishing on the very top, guys. You see. So they have to do some finishing there, straight, going towards there. They didn't able to finish painting this, guys, but because it's raining again. But no problem. We paint some of it. Yeah. A rust paint. Our weather is bad. The whole afternoon today, guys, it is very hot. And then now it is started to rain again. You see the rain? We always have bad weather. Really, really bad. O pa na mahinog ng isa kapayas pa? Ha? Nalaya naman na, oh. Di na na magamit ang makuha na karang dako. Laya na. Yeah, it's just bad weather again. So, anyway, that's just how it looks, guys. You want to eat balot? Okay, he's still buying some balot. He loves balot, guys. Balot. Him and Pontic loves to eat balot. Ah, what are you doing? You want to eat balot? Okay, wait. We're gonna get more balot. You wanna eat balot? High five first. High five. No, no balot. Okay, high five. High five. Come on. High five. Yay. Good. Yay. Good boy. Where's Dennis? Dan. Dan. Good boy, oy. High five. Where's Pontic? You wanna eat balot?